What's up, everybody? Welcome to this edition of Farm Truck Friday. We are going to shout out Cebuana Vlogs. Way over in the Philippines, y'all. Cebuana Vlogs. Y'all go check her out. The link will be in the description box of this video. Especially just for Cebuana. This is product of Spain. Squid chunks and ink sauce. I ain't never had this in a can. Oh, I guess they're the same thing. Let me try the little can. Orale, Cebuana Vlog, this is for you. Lord Jesus, if I throw up. Check out Cebuana Vlogs. When she comes to her channel, she brings ninja. Grow channel. Make channel very big. She a damn good person. She got a whole community and a family over there. Support each and every one of y'all. Y'all go check them out. I mean, there's Charam, Mayhem Vlogs, Little Baby Chloe, Hannah Jane, Sniper, Elena Maria. Man, there's a bunch of them. A bunch. Go check out the Philippines. Cebuana Vlogs. That's your connection. Link will be in the description box of this video. Lord Jesus, I don't eat no sardines. I'm leery about eating. Hell no, I ain't eating this, man. Y'all see that? Oh, Lord. My mama wanted me to try this stuff. That shit brought tears to my eyes. I ain't, I'm feeding this to the dogs. I ain't eating nope. Nope, I ain't even. I ain't sticking that in my mouth. Hang on, y'all. I gotta get this out of here. Sorry, Cebuana. I was trying to do something special. I thought, man, I eat fried calamari at Olive Garden. But I can't eat nothing like that. It smells. Alright. Thank God I got a backup plan. I had a feeling it. Oh, Lord. If I would have put that in my mouth. Alright. Backup plan. Thank God I went and stopped and got me some Chinese food. I sure can. Oh, Lord. I don't even want to think about that. We got some rice. I got some Peking beef. I really was going to eat that, but I can't eat it. This is just a strong smell to it. I can't do it. Quick our fortune cookie. Oh, I didn't want to think about that. Let me clean my little glass off. There we go. This is called Peking beef. I got so much crap back here. I almost had this truck cleaned out. Who y'all gonna go check out in the Philippines? Cebuana Vlogs, right? Boy, I tell you. I can't do none of them challenges and stuff. And I really was gonna try that. I can't do it. Can't do it. Y'all look at this for $10. $10. You can't beat that with a stick. That erased all that bad memory of that smell I just had. It got mushrooms in it, bamboo shoots, carrots. Who wants some Peking beef? Oh, I lost. Y'all know I'm not going to eat all this on camera. But Cebuana Vlogs, she really is good people. Her whole family, everybody over there, treat you with respect, support you. Bam! There you go. Just good people. I mean, make you feel at home. I'll mix that rice with. I want some white rice. And this stuff here is actually made by people that came from China. It's a family. I watched the kids grow up from little bitty babies running around there. Now they waiting on you. It's a family restaurant. Damn good food. And you get a lot of food. Bam! And it's delicious. I still can't believe I smelled that. I almost... Lord have mercy. I didn't even see my mukbang song. Welcome to the mukbang. Welcome to the mukbang. Welcome to the mukbang. Bang, bang. You almost saw me lose my thing. This is good, though. My eyeballs still hurt. Cebuana Vlogs link will be in the description box. When you go to her channel, don't skip no ads, because they don't pay us that much, y'all. Just go on and watch the ad. Or put it down, the phone down, the computer, let it run. When the ad is over, watch the video. This is almost like sweet and sour beef, but not real sweet. We got baby carrot. I'm being stingy. Bam! There you go. Delicious. I'm parked out here by the dog pen. But anyway, so much for trying new things. Has any of y'all had any of that squid stuff in a can? It seemed like you would have to wash all that ink off and cook it and put it in something. Can't eat that right out of a can. No, no, no. I can't do it. Not today. Brian, give me no thumbnail. I think I got a dog coming in heat. This show is the good life. What's that dog barking at? Probably them mules. Now y'all know I don't. It's still kind of light outside. The storms are brewing. Trying to get this knocked out before the storm comes. I don't really got nothing to say. Just eat this delicious grub right here. And check out Cebuana Vlogs. The link will be in the description box. You go over there, you'll like her. Good people. Anyway, y'all. Adios, sayonara. And Cebuana Vlogs, I appreciate all the support you and your family has given to my family. Just a little something to say. I appreciate you. And I'm out of here. I'm going to finish this. Peace. Like, comment, share, subscribe. All that good stuff, y'all.